What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Like I said, it's a 23 Santa Fe in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Now if we take a look on the right hand side, we see this latch right here. This is going to be the dampening latch. This is what allows the glove box to open slowly instead of just flopping open. So if you just get your finger around it like that, it'll pop off. Now there's two stops that are holding the glove box up. We can see one right here, and there's another one just like it on this side. So these stops will just screw out of here. So turn them about a quarter turn, half a turn, and they'll come out like that. Same thing with this one. And I'm going to kind of pick up on it just a little bit with my hand like that as I'm turning this and pulling it out, because then once that's out, it'll allow the glove box to come down like that. Now if we take a look behind here, this item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And there's these clips on the sides that pinch in like that, and then that whole piece will pull off. And now we can see our actual filter right here. You can just grab it like this and it'll slide out. So slide your old one all the way out, and then when you're putting your new one in, make sure you're paying attention to the airflow. You want your airflow pointing down towards the ground. So then slide your new filter in, make sure it's all the way in, and then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll grab our access door, and if you notice on the left hand side there's this tab. So you want to put that tab in that notch and then make sure that snaps on. Then I'm going to pick this glove box up with my hand and grab one of these stops and then screw that in like that. Then I'm going to screw the other stop in. And then the last thing we need to do is put this dampening latch back on. That'll just pop on there like that. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.